Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to enable Lyft Cash. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the Lyft application and this is how it will look like once you open the app. Right here, you're gonna find update location services. You can turn on your precise location or click on enter pickup location. And from here, you can choose the stars and the destination. If you go right here to the top left corner and click on this icon, from here, you're going to find your profile name. You can click also on view profile if you want to see your profile from here. You can see your infos, business profile, family, my riders, and linked account. If you go back from here, you're going to find notifications, rewrites, ride history, payments, rewards, gift cards, donate, help, and settings. And you're gonna also find drive with Lyft. So right here, in if you click on payments, you're gonna find the Lyft cash right here. As you can see, guys, my balance is $0, and you can see your balance right here. And if you click on add cash, you can add cash to the Lyft cash from here. So in order to do that, you need to follow these steps. Find the store, use our app to search for retailers who can turn your physical cash into a Lyft cash. Share your code. After you locate a store, you'll see a unique barcode or ID number to share with a cashier. Add at least $30. You must add at least $30 in store to use Lyft cash. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.